Hi guys! Today we start with an interactive tabletop holographic display. It will definitely surprise you with what it can do. But let's talk about everything in order. Hollis is a tabletop holographic platform. It can transform any content from your computer, tablet, or smartphone into 3D holograms. Those holograms are not just for show. You can easily interact with them. For example, move planets around a starry sky or enjoy an augmented reality game. After having fun with the holograms, it's time to gather your family around the fireplace hologram. Talk with friends on a brand new level. Communicate with embedded holographic helper Omi, or just talk to your holographic self. The device can be controlled through a smartphone application. However, it also supports control with gestures and even brain activity. But for this, you will have to buy Leap Motion Controller and a Neuro interface. You can get the holographic platform in 2 sizes, and it charges through USB. If your room isn't big enough for a holographic fireplace, then look at this mini platform for hologram creation. To start working the holographic magic, you need to construct a small pyramid, install the app converter HoHo to convert your videos to holographic projections, then place the hologram generator under or on top of your phone or tablet. On the manufacturer's channel, there are already videos that you can play after purchasing the device, thus dwelling into the holographic world straight away. Is it just us, or can you not stop looking at it either? Let's move on to the next gadget. Without a doubt, this 3D LED nightlight will be a cool addition to your room. Do you also get an impression that this will look like a real-life Death Star from Star Wars or a starship from Star Trek? We are sure that you will find the nightlight for your tastes. They are sold in a lot of different models, different styles, designs, and based on different movies and themes. This lamp's secret is in its 3D acrylic panel, which is actually flat. After putting it all together, you will be able to use 7 different colors of light, different modes of glowing, and you can also control everything through remote control. The 3D lamp works using 3 AA batteries or a USB cord. Let's now look at holographic helpers. For example, Global Chef is a great helper in your kitchen. By utilizing the technologies of a laser program, you can cook with your friends in real time or look at video courses from world-class chefs. The device can analyze food, it has a motion-sensing camera, and can project holograms 360 degrees around itself. If culinary help is not the only help you need, meet Gatebox. This is a concept of a robot helper for any domestic problems or questions. The most important task of this robot hologram is to always support you and improve your mood. Every morning, this beauty will be waking you up with a lovely voice and support your preparations to leave with cute phrases. It can recognize voice, turn on and off lights and different household electronics, and it will always remind you of important events coming up, even if you aren't home. After a hard day's work, your friendly robot will be waiting for you at home. You can discuss anything with her, laugh together, and maybe something more. Just remember, this is only a hologram and will never substitute for real relationships. You will not believe your eyes when you open this book. Turning over pages after pages, you will not just learn a lot of useful information of top scientific writers, but will also dwell into the world of wildlife, the dinosaur age. We'll learn about the inhabitants of the jungle, Antarctica, safari, and even the ocean. The secret is in the manufacturer's unique lenticular technology. It uses special lenses and video images when printing. We are sure that reading these books with kids will give them unbelievable experiences. This is hard to even call a book. It is a real movie that comes alive as you turn the first page. Really takes your breath away. Next on our list is the good old Kaleidoscope. If someone doesn't know, this is an optical tube with different colored mirrors inside of it. By turning the tube, you can see different symmetrical figures appear and disappear. These can get really beautiful. We recommend this to people who work a lot behind their computers. It's been medically proven to calm down nervousness and release stress and tiredness of the optical nerve. By the way, are you feeling anything from our video? And these are Kaleidoscope Glasses. You will not receive the same shapes as the normal kaleidoscope, but a new view of the world is certainly yours. Multiple refractions of light create an interesting effect, especially at a light show party. So it's not surprising that these are usually used on EDM festivals or just photo sessions. You can get these glasses in different models, different colors, different rims, and different lenses with different intensity and shapes of the lighting effects. And the last device for today is an interactive holographic table. This table is unlikely to be used at home unless it's for games. However, in this sphere of industry, construction, education, etc., it will have a lot of benefits. To work with this table, you need special glasses and controllers. Using them, you can rotate, zoom in and out, and move objects. The hologram can be projected up to heights of 2 feet above the table or create an illusion of going into the table. You can either use a USB connection or the internet to get data for projection onto the table. Do you think that the future is already here?